Work hard and earn money, yet it never seems to stay. This isn't just bad luck. It's a hidden money mistake that most people ignore, quietly shaping their financial lives. Today we'll explore why so many adults feel stuck even as their paychecks grow. The answer isn't what you might expect. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the invisible habit that keeps money slipping through your fingers no matter how much you earn. Let's begin. Most people don't stay poor because they earn too little. In fact, many adults see their income rise over time, yet their financial situation doesn't improve. The real problem is something less obvious, an invisible habit that quietly shapes spending decisions. This habit is so common that it feels normal, even logical. But it's the reason why, despite working harder and earning more, you might still feel financially stuck. What is this hidden force? Let's look closer. There's one habit that quietly drains your finances, often without you noticing. It's not about reckless spending or big purchases. Instead, it's a subtle pattern that grows as your income grows. This habit is so ingrained in daily life that most people never question it. Yet it's the main reason why savings don't grow and why financial stress never seems to fade. Before we reveal what it is, think about your last pay raise. Did your spending change? Hidden mistake is lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, your spending quietly rises to match or even exceed it. You start enjoying small upgrades, a better coffee, a nicer phone, more frequent dining out. Subscriptions and conveniences add up. Each change feels minor, but together they consume every extra dollar you earn. Over time, your lifestyle expands, but your savings remain flat. This is lifestyle inflation in action. Most of these spending changes happen unconsciously. You don't plan to spend more, it just feels natural as your income grows. Convenience becomes a priority, subscriptions seem harmless, small luxuries become routine. Each decision feels justified, but together they quietly erode your financial progress. This unconscious spending is rarely questioned, yet it's the main reason why many adults feel stuck, no matter how much they earn. Lifestyle inflation feels normal because it's everywhere. Friends, family, and media all reinforce the idea that spending more is a sign of progress. Upgrading your lifestyle is seen as a reward for hard work. It's easy to believe that higher income should mean higher spending. But this mindset quietly undermines your financial security, making it harder to build real wealth over time. Why do people fall into this trap? The answer lies in psychology. Comfort is appealing. Upgrades bring short-term pleasure and a sense of status. Avoiding discomfort, like saying no to a new gadget or experience, feels unnatural. Our brains are wired to seek immediate rewards, even if it means sacrificing long-term security. This is why lifestyle inflation is so powerful and so difficult to resist. Short-term pleasure often wins over long-term security. A new purchase feels good now, while saving for the future feels abstract and distant. This is a natural human tendency, but when repeated over years, it quietly erodes your financial foundation. Recognizing this pattern is the first step toward change. Choosing comfort and convenience in the moment often means sacrificing control in the long run. Each small upgrade feels harmless, but together, they add up to a significant loss of financial freedom. Over time, this leads to a cycle of stress and frustration, as savings remain out of reach and financial goals seem impossible. The consequences of lifestyle inflation are serious. Without savings, every unexpected expense becomes a crisis. Financial stress becomes a constant companion. Even as you work harder and earn more, you feel no closer to security. This cycle can last for years, quietly draining your energy and motivation. When savings are low, credit becomes a lifeline. Relying on credit cards or loans to cover expenses creates a dangerous cycle. Interest builds up, making it even harder to get ahead. This reliance on credit is a direct result of unconscious spending and lifestyle inflation. It's a trap that keeps many people financially stuck. Despite working harder and earning more, many adults feel stuck. The sense of progress is missing. Financial goals seem distant, and the stress of living paycheck to paycheck never fades. This feeling isn't a result of laziness or lack of effort. It's the outcome of habits that quietly remove control over your money. The good news is that breaking this cycle doesn't require drastic changes. A simple fix can make a big difference. It starts with becoming aware of your spending habits. By making small, conscious choices, you can regain control over your finances and start building real security. Conscious spending means making deliberate choices about where your money goes. Instead of letting spending rise automatically with income, you pause and consider each upgrade. Is it necessary? Does it add real value? This simple pause can prevent unconscious habits from taking over and help you keep more of what you earn. Before making a lifestyle upgrade, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself if the change is truly needed or just a reaction to higher income. This pause creates space for better decisions and helps you avoid falling back into old patterns. Over time, these small pauses add up to significant savings. Tracking your expenses doesn't have to be complicated. A simple list or app can help you see where your money goes. This awareness is powerful. It reveals patterns you might not notice otherwise and gives you the information needed to make better choices. Even small changes can lead to big improvements over time. Choosing control over comfort is not about denying yourself pleasure. It's about making sure your spending aligns with your values and goals. By prioritizing control, you build a foundation for long-term security and freedom. Each conscious choice strengthens your financial position and reduces stress. Small, consistent steps create lasting change. You don't need to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight. Start with one habit, pause before an upgrade, track one category of spending, or set a small savings goal. Over time, these actions build momentum and lead to greater financial stability. Breaking the cycle of lifestyle inflation is possible for anyone. It begins with awareness and continues with conscious action. Each step you take brings you closer to financial freedom and peace of mind. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Staying poor is rarely about income, it's about habits that quietly remove control. By changing these habits, you create a new path, one where your hard work leads to real progress. It won't make you rich overnight, but it will stop you from staying poor. The choice is yours. If you want more clear thinking about money and life, you may consider subscribing. This channel is dedicated to helping you understand the habits and psychology behind financial decisions. Thank you for watching, and remember, small changes today can lead to a more secure tomorrow.